And this is the TV, and this is the VCR, and this is the DVD, and this is the surround sound, and this is the combination microwave popcorn maker and neck massager, and I don't know what this plug does, but I ain't paying for the electricity.
We can't let her plug all those things in! She'll blow the power!
Come on! Follow me into the TV! I've got an idea!
Wednesday, March 22nd, Cosmo had an idea!
We come in peace. We come in peace. We come in peace. We come in peace.
They came in peace.
We come in peace. We come in peace.
You got nowhere to go. Your days of robbing, killing, and scamming are over. Now step out of the car and we'll figure this out.
He's right. We're fucked.
Let's keep driving.
What?
We can't go to jail. We're glamorous Caucasian women. They'll eat us alive.
True.
We've got one option. And it's over the edge of that cliff. So keep driving.
Honestly. Truly. Let's do it. I love you. And I love you, homegirl.
No. What are you doing?
Get along like we used to in middle school. I wish that I could bake a cake made out of rainbows and smiles and we'd all eat it, be happy.
She doesn't even go here.
Do you even go to this school? No. I just have a lot of feelings. Okay, go home.
I'll answer the question. You want answers?
I think I'm entitled.
You want answers?
I want the truth!
You can't handle the truth! Son, we live in a world that has walls, and those walls have to be guarded by men with guns. Who's gonna do it? You?
I just hope nobody mistakes us for the divorce.
Oh, well, we only have to be seen at the China Bowl this evening.
Girl, we will induce envy and rage.
Oh, look. That little Latin boy in drag is crying. Find out why that little Latin boy in drag is crying.
Little Latin boy in drag. Why are you crying?
Just because the two of you are so pretty, you know, you're so pretty.
That's all.
Oh, yes, of course we're pretty, but why are you crying?
Maybe she just found out Menudo broke up.
Hell,
Darling.
what have you two been plotting down here? Or should I say, what else?
Are you angry, dear? Are you very angry?
It's alive.
Madeline? Oh, boy. Helen, I think you should leave right away. I see a very, very bad situation developing here. Dear? Madeline?
I just want you to know one thing, Hell. You brought this on yourself.
Madeline! Oh my God! What have you done?
What have I done? Defended myself, that's what. You plotter, co-conspirator.
She's dead!
She is. These are the moments that make life worth living.
My God, Madeline, that was horrible!
What the heck is wrong with this thing?
I'm all out out of ideas.
Well, easy come, easy go.